12 Accountancy, Chapter 2 Not for Profit Organization. Sum number 23. From the following receipts and payments, accounts of Sivagasi Pensioners Recreation Club. Prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2018 and the balance sheet as on the date. Here, receipts and payments account for the year ended 31st March 2018. Here, receipts, payments. First, we can see the payments. Rent and rates is a revenue expenditure. Electricity charges is revenue expenditure. Then furniture purchased, furniture asset. Billiards table purchased, that also assets. Assets are always entered in the balance sheet. Then repairs and renewals. Repairs and renewals also revenue expenditure. Special dinner expenses, that also revenue expenditure. Sundry expenses, revenue expenditure. Cash in hand, asset side of the balance sheet. Here, receipt side. Balance brought down. Cash in hand, cash at bank is given. Okay, opening cash. Opening cash in hand, opening cash at bank. Then subscription. Previous year, current year, subsequent year. Previous year 2016-17. 17-18, current year. 18-19, subsequent year. Here current year 25,000. Previous year outstanding 5,000. Received in advance 6,000. So 36,000. Legacy. Legacy means already I said to you. Legacy means is a gift for a organization by a will. So that is capital receipt. Entered in liability side of the balance sheet. Then rent from hall and locker rent also revenue received. Entered in income and expenditure side, income side. Collection for special dinner. Collection for special dinner, that also revenue received. Entered in income and expenditure of income side. Then balance carried on bank overdraft. Bank overdraft entered in balance sheet liability side. Here some additional information are also given. First one, the club got 300 members, each paying rupees 100 as annual subscription. Upper 300 into 100, 30,000. First, but here 2017 current year 25,000 only received. So 30,000 minus 25,000, 5,000 outstanding. So the club got furniture 10,000 on 1/4/2017. Yes, sir. Then subscription still due but not received for the year 2017, 16-17, 1,000. That means previous year outstanding. Already previous year outstanding 5,000. Here also but not received for the year 16-17, 1,000. That also entered in asset side. Here now we can prepare. Which one is first we have to prepare? Which one is missing this area? Opening capital fund. Opening capital fund. First we have to find out opening capital fund. Then income and expenditure, balance sheet also we can prepare. In the books of Sivagasi Pensioners Recreation Club, balance sheet as on 1/4/2017. Assets, liabilities. Here opening cash balance, cash in hand 10,000, cash at bank 20,000. Here also we can write cash in hand 10,000, cash at bank 20,000. In the additional information, the club got furniture 10,000 on 1/4/2017. So that also we can include furniture 10,000. Then subscription. Subscription still due but not received for the year 2016-17, 1,000. Here also subscription 2016-17, 5,000. Subscription outstanding 2017, 5,000. Due still 2016-17, 1,000. So we can find out the answer. Opening capital fund 6, 4, 46,000. Here also we can write 46,000. Here we can write capital fund. Capital fund 46,000. Here we can write balancing figure. So we can find out opening capital fund. Now we can prepare income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2018. Expenditure income. Here to rent and rates 18,000, to electric charges 17,000, to repairs and renewals 16,000, to special dinner expenses 4,000, to sundry expenses 2,000. Expenditure over. Income side, here subscription 36,000, current year 25,000. So how will you find out 25,000? Here by subscription 36,000 less 2016 17 5,000 less 2018 19 6,000. Here we can write by subscription 36,000 less 2016 17 5,000 31,000 less 18 19 6,000. So current year 25,000. But in additional information, the club got 300 members, each paying 100 as annual subscription. So 300 into 100, 30,000 minus already received 25,000. So subscription outstanding for current year 5,000. So current year subscription 30,000. Then by rent from hall 14,000, locker rent 5,000, by collection for special dinner 12,000. Now we have to add it. Zero, 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 1, 6, 61,000. Here itself we can put 61,000. Now we have to find out to surplus. That means what? Excess of income over expenditure. Excess of income over expenditure. We can find out here 0, 0, 0, 4, 4,000. Surplus 4,000. So totally 61,000. Surplus transfer to balance sheet. Balance sheet for the year ended 31st March 2018. Liabilities, assets. First asset side, cash in hand 1,000, billiards table 70,000, furniture 10,000, furniture purchased, add furniture purchased 12,000, so 22,000. Subscription still outstanding 2017, that means previous year subscription 1,000. Subscription 2017 and 18 outstanding 5,000, so 6,000. Then capital fund already we find out capital fund, opening capital fund, that one 46,000. Then and surplus 4,000, so 46 plus 4 50,000. Bank overdraft 3,000. Legacy 40,000, it's a capital reserve. Subscription received in advance 2018. Subsequent year subscription also we can receive, so 6,000. Totally we have to put total for that. Both sides are also equal, 99,000, 99,000. So here balance sheet also over. Let us start sum number 24. Following the receipts and payments account of Virudhunagar Volleyball Association for the year ended 31st December 2018. Here receipts and payments account also given. Here receipts, payments. First we can see the payment side. Match expenses 25,000. Then match expenses in liability side only. In the balance sheet of liability side. Upkeep of pavilion, revenue expenditure. Secretary's honorarium. Honorarium means a person who is not an employee of the person, we can pay some amount to the person. So that amount is also one of the revenue expenditure. By bat and ball purchased 22,000. Cross seats 2,000. Fixed deposit also asset. Sundry expenses is a expense 3,000. Next, balance carried on, cash in hand 7,000, cash at bank. So both also in asset side of the balance sheet. Here receipt side. To balance brought down, cash in hand, opening capital fund. We have to find out that time the cash in hand also included. To subscription. 2017 10,000, 18 55,000, 19 5,000. 17 previous year, 18 current year, 2019 subsequent year. Donation 40,000. Match fund receipts. So this also in liability side of the balance sheet. Capital receipt. Interest on fixed deposit is a revenue receipt. Income and expenditure income side. Two miscellaneous receipts 5,000. That also revenue receipt. In the income and expenditure side, income and expenditure account, income side only we entered. We can see the additional information. First one, on 1/1/2018, the association owned investments 10,000. 1/1/2018, opening capital fund. That investments also taken. Premises and grounds 40,000. Stock of bat and ball 5,000. So this investment, premises and grounds, stock of bat and ball also take for opening capital fund. Next, second one, subscription 5,000 related to 2017 is still due. 2017 means not previous year. Previous year 5,000 also not at all received. Then third one, subscription due for the year 2018. Current years also 6,000. Current year 6,000. This one 2017 5,000. Previous year. This one current year. So prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st December 2018 and the balance sheet as on the date. First we can prepare opening capital fund is missing. So we can prepare opening capital fund, then income and expenditure and balance sheet. In the books of Virudhunagar Volleyball Association, balance sheet as on 1/1/18. 1/1/18. Liability side, asset side. First, cash in hand 5,000. Investment. In the additional information they can given investment, premises and grounds 40,000, bat and ball 5,000. Here, subscription due 2017 10,000. 2017 10,000. Here, subscription 5,000 later to 2017 is still due. So that also we can include here. Subscription outstanding due 2017 10,000. Subscription for the 2017 still due 5,000. So both also included and add 15,000. Now we can close it. 0 0 0 5 7 75,000. Here 75,000. Here also we can put 75,000. Capital fund. Capital fund. We can write it in bracket balancing figure. Now opening capital fund we have to find out. Next we can go to income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st/12/2018. Expenditure, income, credit side, debit side. Here first expenditure side. Upkeep of pavilion 17,000. To secretaries honorarium 18,000. To patent ball purchase 22,000. To cross rates 2,000. To sundry expenses 3,000. Here by subscription. Here we can see the question. By subscription 70,000. By subscription 70,000. Here, current year 18. 2018 current year 2017 10,000. Here we can write less 2017 10,000. So 60,000. Then less 2019 5,000. 55,000. Here next in the adjustment subscription due for the year 2018. That means current year sum outstanding 6,000. So that amount we have to include, and subscription outstanding for 2018 6,000. So 55 plus 6 61,000. Then by donations 40,000. Interest on deposit 8,000. By miscellaneous receipts 5,000. So this side only more amount. First we have to here itself again. We have to add 0 0 4 1 1 1,14,000. 1,14,000. This side we have to write to surplus. Excess of income over expenditure. Zero, 0, 0, 2, 5. So here 1,14,000. To surplus 52,000. Balance sheet for the year ended 31st/12/2018. Liabilities, assets. First, in that additional information already given, 1/1/2018 investment 10,000, premises and grounds 40,000, stock of bat and ball 5,000. So that is here we can write investment 10,000, premises and grounds 40,000, stock of bat and ball 5,000. Then fixed deposit 58,000 in the receipts and payments. So we have to write here. Then closing balance, cash in hand 7,000, cash at bank 6,000. That also entered we can in the balance sheet. Cash in hand 7,000, cash at bank 6,000, 13,000. Then subscription 2017 5,000 related to 2017 is still due. That also we can include it. Then subscription due for the year 2018 6,000. Here subscription for the year 2017 5,000, for the year 2018 6,000. So totally 11,000. Next here liability side, capital fund 75,000. Already find out capital fund only. So that amount only here we can write it 75,000. Surplus, income and expenditure we can find out surplus. Surplus means excess income over expenditure. Here 52,000. So totally 1,27,000. Subscription received in advance 2019. Here received in advance 2019 5,000. That amount we have to enter here in the liability side. Match fund receives 30,000 less match expenses 25,000. So 5,000 only balance in match fund. Now we have to balance it. 0 0 0 7 3 1,37,000. Here 0 0 0 7 3 1 1,37,000. So here balance sheet also tally.